There have been many advancements in surfboard technology recently. Today we have capitalized on the leaps in technology that allows us to refine our board design process to an exacting standard. For our 2015 surf collection, we rebuilt our entire surf program from the bottom up, with all new shapes and a much more robust wood sandwich construction. Our 2015 lineup features 3 all-new shapes that cover a wide range of styles and conditions. Each board is computer designed and CNC cut to produce a surfboard that is identical to its original design. The Phenom Kiahi Deaboida signature model is a 5-fin box performance surf shape that can be ridden as a 3-fin thruster or a 4-fin quad configuration. The tri-fin configuration is great for top to bottom surfing and tight turns in the hook. The quad fin configuration lends itself for a more skatey feel and the ability to blow the tail out on the top turn. The Phenom boasts a wider and thicker shape that lends itself to larger riders, or for someone looking for maximum volume in a performance board. I've placed the volume in the center of the board while tapering the rails and pulling in the tail to allow for vertical surfing and rail-bearing turns. The Phenom is excellent for any type of riding from small to large waves, and it's great for surf freestyle, even on flat water. The Proto Rio Stevens signature model is a performance tri-fin thruster surfboard. This board has a moderately low volume, which makes it great for powerful surfing in any type of waves. The narrower outline and moderate volume creates a board which is altogether lighter and great for your aerial freestyle game. But these exact 2 features also create a board capable of unleashing tight, powerful turns in world-class waves. The Proto has a deep single concave in the middle of the board, which blends out through the tail. This makes the tail rocker through the center of the board much straighter for speed, while keeping a generous bottom curve along the rails for maneuverability. The Proto performs excellent in any size surf, as well for flat water freestyle. The Secret Weapon is one of my favorite boards this season. I originally made this board as a model that could generate its own speed and power in less than perfect conditions. I was so blown away by the early prototypes that this has now become my everyday surfboard. The modern retro design of the Secret Weapon makes for fast and lively surfboard that turns in a tight radius while keeping its speed throughout the turn. The secret to its performance is due in large part to its unique outline. The Secret Weapon has a wider nose, which does 2 important things. First, it provides more area under your foot for quick planing. It also creates added lift for loftier airs while riding strapless. And third, it straightens out the rail line, allowing you to ride a smaller board with a bigger board feel. The other important design feature of the Secret Weapon is its surface area. The wider nose and tail create more bottom surface area, which gives the board its instant acceleration and liveliness. Because of the increased bottom surface, we're able to keep the rails thinner and the volume to a minimum. The combination of bottom surface area, a wide nose and tail, and thinned out rails give the Secret Weapon a slashy skate-style performance. When strapped up, the Secret Weapon doubles as a board capable of open ocean crossings and long-distance downwinders. The Secret Weapon is an aerial machine in any type of surf and on flat water. Here is a direct comparison of all the boards, highlighting 2 important features. These 2 points provide much of the personality and performance character of a board. Let's start with outline. As you can see, the Phenom and the Proto have progressive surf outlines. The pulled-in nose reduces the swing weight, especially when throwing a snap off the top turn. The pulled-in tails provide a balance of bite when you want to push hard on your turns, and slide when you want to bust the tail free. In simple terms, these 2 boards are mainly separated by their difference in width and thickness, which results in volume. The Phenom, being the higher volume board, is better for larger riders, or for someone who likes a lot of float in their board. The Proto, with its lower volume, is much better for smaller riders, or for riders who ride with a lot of power, either from the wave or from the kite. When you compare both of these shapes to the Secret Weapon, you see that the Secret Weapon takes a completely different approach to design, which delivers a completely different level of performance. The Secret Weapon has a much fuller nose and tail. This creates more surface area, which in return makes the boards incredibly lively with a skatey feel to it. The surface area helps to generate speed and power out of any type of situation, and this board is a standout in less than perfect conditions. The added surface area in the nose and tail make this board stick to your feet like glue when doing aerial freestyle tricks. All boards this season are built with an entirely new construction using the strongest weight-to-strength materials available. We start with a 2.5 kg EPS core. We then pad the stance area with a 3mm skin of cork for a balance of strength and flex. Then we place a tip-to-tail, rail-to-rail 0.5mm bamboo reinforcement on the top and bottom for impact resistance. The fin boxes are all reinforced with the surrounding block of high-density foam and glass. To put the cap on the performance of these new boards, we offer you a choice of ultra-high-performance resin transfer molded, or RTM, hex core fins, or a softer set of glass-filled, or GFN nylon fins. The hex core fins are stiffer at the base with a soft flex at the tip. These fins provide excellent drive and are the ultimate construction for high-performance surfing. The glass-filled nylon, or GFN fins, are softer throughout the entire length of the fin. The GFN fins deliver a dampened ride, especially in surf with short chop on the face. The all-new 2015 surfboards from CABRINHA, combining a legacy of design with the latest in surfboard technology.